Hello, self worth, the value, the respect, the love we give to ourselves matters more than the other people love or respect us. First and foremost, we have to value ourselves. Normally, we do not value ourselves and we don't feel worthwhile because we think more about our weaknesses than our strength. Every one of us have got our own weaknesses and strength. Nobody is born without weakness and nobody is born without strength. If we value our strengths more than our weaknesses, and we believe that our strengths are more valuable and we can create our own world and create our own life, then our strengths will start acting and we become prosperous and happy. So, self worth is even more important in the society to prove our worth. Thank you. Have a nice day.